Hey, Yorick here. Today I'm going to show you how to deposit on Ethereum Prater testnet for staking using the Discord bot to deposit for you. So we've had some issues with the Görli testnet. People thought it was an excellent idea to use a testnet as layer 2, and so now Görli faucets have been closed down. But you can still get some on ETH Discord as long as you let the Discord deposit for you. So that's what we're going to do. I'm on the Prater Launchpad. I'm assuming that you've already done all the other stuff. You created your key and your deposit file and all that, right? That's explained in other videos. So I'm going to do our deposit data here, continue, and then connect with MetaMask. And I'm on the Görli testnet, so that's correct. But it's telling me, hey, you don't have enough Görli ETH, right? Correct. And I cannot continue here. So there are instructions in the Discord. I'm gonna bring those up right quick if I can. Here we are. So these are the instructions, and I'll link the link to that Discord. It says change, so inspect the button, change it to enabled, and then get the data, and then go to this channel and write the hex data in. Wow, so that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna go here, right click this button and fail. And the instructions say to right click this and inspect, and as you can see I can't do that. So I'm gonna hit F12 instead in Chrome, and I will see the elements. And now when I'm gonna kind of work my way through it. So I'm gonna look at the body, and then okay, that's the style grommet, and header, don't want that. Okay, that looks good. You can see I'm in the collect wallet piece, and that looks good. And I'm looking for the continue button, which is in here somewhere. Aha, that seems to be it. So that's my button right here. Now let's see whether we can, it says disabled, whether I can change that. So I'm just gonna click this, double click this word disabled and type enabled in and hit enter. And hit F12 again to close that, and now I should be able to continue. Nice. Okay, that did it. I do know that I have risks and how to check that I'm sending and so on, and then go and send deposit. All right, MetaMask is being difficult. Okay, insufficient funds, right? I know that, that's fine. All I need here is these hex data here. That's what I'm looking for, right? So in the instructions there are GIFs, and they show you how to do this. I'll look at them in a minute after I've copied these hex data off. So just say copy. You see here it shows you how to copy the hex data, and this bit shows you how to make the button enabled. Just unfortunately, right click is not a thing in all browsers. If you do have the right click inspect, that's a lot easier. Okay, so now I've got the hex data. This means that the Discord bot can now deposit on my behalf. So what am I supposed to do? I'm gonna go to request Görli ETH. I'm on Prater testnet, type bang Görli ETH, and then my hex data. Let's try it out. So I'll go in here. Oh my god, that's a lot of stuff. Everybody wants it. So exclamation mark Görli ETH, and I don't know whether that's case sensitive, so I'm just going to assume it is and be careful, and then paste my hex data and enter. Sent to the deposit contract. Wonderful. That's it. So at this point the bot has now deposited 32 Görli ETH on my behalf, and I can continue with my whatever I'm doing, what else I'm doing, right? I can take that key store and put it in my own, or in this case actually I'm going to use it to try out the shiny new SSV, secret shared validators, and that's going to be exciting. Okay, thank you for watching.